Hello and welcome to another episode of Rapid Fire Question Time with the UK's most trusted pump experts. Glenn, I've got a question for you. I've recently heard of a project that had a pumping station where the property flooded and the insurance didn't pay out. What's this all about?
Great question, and it's definitely not the first time this has happened. So this was a property where the basement relied on a drainage pumping station to pump all the sewage out from the toilets and showers in the basement. The pumping station failed. There ended up with a flood in the basement because the pumping station was actually taking waste from the upper floors as well. And when it came to the insurance payout, telling the insurers, the insurance policy stated that if there's a pumping station, it must have a care plan or a maintenance contract on it to ensure the insurance was valid. Unfortunately for this client, they didn't actually have a maintenance plan on the pumping station. Pumping station fails, creates the flooding, insurance actually refused to pay out. So it's really, really important if you've got buildings or properties or whatever type of property it is, if it's reliant on drainage pumping stations, your insurers need to be aware of it, and they need to ensure that you've got a proper plan in place for regular maintenance and also a plan in place for emergency call-outs should there be a power or plant failure.
Okay, so what I'm hearing is on this particular project they were relying on a pump station, but the payout didn't come because one, the insurers didn't know about it, and two, they didn't have a care plan attached to the pumping station. It wasn't being maintained.
Yep, that's exactly right. And to double check this ourselves, we actually recently looked at a standard insurance documents for a house, standard house, and then we found a clause in there to say that this policy doesn't cover any pumping stations, or drainage pumping equipment. So it's definitely worth making sure that your insurance is valid if you've got pumping stations in your property.
Fantastic. That's all for this episode. Thank you for watching.